Here it is, guys. This is my remote control truck, but especially it's the cement mixer, but it's not a dump truck. This truck is can control to the remote. Just click this. Start the engine. Of course, you can make the truck forward, then backward, and also the steering. Also, the truck has a horn, the music, the demo. You can make the truck move since when it's moving. And the truck can go backwards. Then the truck began to move again. First, let's take the truck down. Uh-oh, he crashed. Just turn off that. Quite controllable for this truck. And that's the remote control cement mixer truck.